Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to request money via Interac e-transfer on TD Canada Trust. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click on Login to Easy Web Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Interac e-transfer. On the sub-menu, you will see an option for Request Money. Click on Request Money. First, select a recipient. Then on the amount field, enter the amount you wish to request. Adding a message is just optional. Next, select an account from where you would like to deposit. After selecting, click on Next. Lastly, review the transfer details. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Request Money. That's how you request money via Interac e-transfer on TD Canada Trust. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.